Okay, and so hey YouTube, this is CodeTutors, and this is our second Java tutorial. Alright, so in this episode we are going to be doing a simple maths application. Yeah, maths. I said maths. Alright. Well, it's an important part in Java, so get used to it. Alright, okay. Well, we're going to create the public void main method again, and this time we're going to call it maths operators. And now, since we've done that, okay, we have our package declaration, we have our public class thing, we have the public main method, and now let's make our spaces. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so in Java, what we're going to do is we are going to make a nice little maths application. Alright, there we go. It's just gonna say a little bit of maths. Alright, so we are going to declare an integer and a double. Alright, so an integer is declared through int. So that's one of the types of variables. An integer is a whole number, so it can't have decimals. So if you were making a calculator and it wouldn't be able to use decimals, it would just round it up to the nearest whole number. Alright, so integer a. And then we have to put the semicolon because it is a declaration. Now this will come up, don't worry, it's just because we haven't used a yet, so ignore it for now. Next we're going to make a double, which is going to be called, doubles are basically decimal numbers. They can have an infinite amount of decimal numbers, basically as much as the computer can take. Alright, so that'll come up with an error as well. It is not used, but just ignore it. Alright, next we are going to make a C value, and this is going to be a float. Now, a float is a single decimal, so it's like 2.9 or something. Alright, so now we are going to give all of these values. So we're going to go ahead and do equals, just like in maths. It's going to equal something. Alright, and we're going to make this equal 2. We're going to make double equal 3.141, just as pi, you know, just the YOLO. Alright, and we're going to make C equal 6.9. Because I feel like 6.9, I don't know why. Add cast float. Oh god, yeah, I forgot. You have to put the extra float C equals float 6.9. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do, okay, A plus, no wait, we have to put this all inside something. You can't do maths unless you're putting it inside something. Okay, and now we're going to print, so you don't have to put these quotations. All they do is that means that it prints the text inside the quotation. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in A plus B, take C divided by, so divided is a slash, like the slash that you get on your keyboard. So slash divided by 3, and multiplied, which is the asterisk symbol, or the star symbol as some of you call it, 2. So now when we click run, it will come up with this, okay, and it will give us an answer, 0.541000095. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to put this into a kind of declaration. Alright, okay. Not like a Declaration of Independence, but what we're going to do is we're going to make another variable called answer. You know what? Yeah, we're not meant to do that. Answer. Alright, we're going to make answer an integer so that it will give us a rounded answer. Alright. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do answer, and we're going to declare what answer is. Answer equals A plus B divided by C divided by C. Yeah, let's make a D variable as well. Let's make this a string actually. String D equals 3. No, you know what? String D. We're not actually going to use string or something. We're going to use string D equals lol. So that means that string is text. So string is a line of text. So string D would be lol. So what's inside these? String D could be anything. So it could be C plus B plus A, but you know, I don't feel like doing that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna end that. So A plus B divided by C. Answer equals A plus B divided by C. Mismatch cannot. Alright, then we've got to cast it again. Integer A plus B plus C. God, I forget to cast it every time, but you know, it doesn't matter. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're going to do sys out space, control and space to as the shortcut, and we're going to do string. So we're going to do D, which will basically put the string D there, and we're going to do plus. This doesn't mean it's going to add it up, but it means it's going to basically put on the next bit, and then it's going to do answer. So pluses are used for multiple things inside Java, remember that. So plus can be used inside this, so I could put another plus and go, alright, and then go space, hi there. Okay, and then now when we run this, it'll say press OK, lol to hi there. So the answer is 2. Lol is what D was, and we put hi there. So inside Java, as you can see, there's no spaces automatically generated. So what we're going to do now is we're going to actually put the space in. So we're just going to put an empty thing, go like that, and then we're going to put another plus. Now when we run it, it'll come up lol, 2, and hi there, all separate. Alright, so I think that's about all for this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, then leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Share with your friends and family, help them learn and stuff. You know, all the stuff, right? And boom.